All right, so I wanted to show you guys a couple things that comes in the box here. So keep in mind, there's a few things you want to do. You have the cleaning wipe. So when you are to go ahead and set this on the windshield, you want to make sure you are doing the cleaning wipe up top. You have your mounting peel. So make sure you are using this, the electrostatic mount that goes up top, which is super important. So this paper shows you how to put that on. And then last but not least, when you are doing the rest of the mounting, you're going to be using the peel and stick on it. So you have these additional peel and stick pieces. That's going to be going on there. Then the actual unit itself. Guys, there is a multi-step process to this. So wipe it down, electrostatic film, then you have your peel and stick, then the actual unit going up. So being that it's a three-step process with regards to it. Now, you do want to have your angle of your camera in a, wants to be, so you have a angle of your front, and then you have the angle of the camera, which is going to be flat facing, which is super important. What's also nice is in this, you have 3 pages for the guide. So we have start driving, so how to install the TERUNSOUl on your car. We have step number 2, which is going to be, whoops, I got these out of order here. Step number 2, which is going to be the how to hide the cables. So it shows you exactly how to hide the cables. It has extra videos on that, which is super important. Just showing you everything that you possibly need to make that happen. And then everything else, more information about your dash cam right here. Just how to set it up and everything between, maintenance tips, and all that jazz, which is super, super important and makes it super easy at the end of the day. There's a couple other items in here. Quick stall guide. You have your bracket installation all within the product itself. Next thing is going to be your overall manual right here, which is going to give you a ton of details with regards to user manual, how to use it, and everything between, which is super important, needed to know. You have your frequently asked questions, very important as well. This does have an app, talks about the files and saving all that stuff all in here, which is important. You have your button guide, and then a little thank you card. And last but not least is the little TERUNSOUl, so you can put this on here showing that you have a little safety, kind of like a little badge of safety armor for it. All this fits in this little product in itself, and make sure this takes about 10-15 minutes. Once you figure out how you want to line everything up, that's what I would say is about 10-15 minute install of this, running your cables without any issues, and it makes it super, super simple to happen. Guys, this is the TERUNSOUl. This is their TERUNSOUl D016 dual camera setup. Check them out.